Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to another video. So this week it's just going to be a semi-empty apartment tour. I moved in a little less than a month ago, so it's pretty bare bones. I'm still waiting on a couch, coffee table. I'll show you the things that I already ordered when I kind of go through the apartment. It's a 500 square foot studio. I live downtown Portland. I pay $14.83. My parking is $2.25, and then I have gas, electric, and then community amenities. So those utilities are divvied up throughout the whole apartment complex. But just want to show you the things I have. My bed, full-length mirror, my kitchen is pretty much done, and just kind of show you what $14.83 gets you downtown Portland for a 500 square foot studio. And let's get into it. Okay, so first thing when you walk in, it is the kitchen. I'm gonna try and get the best views, but it's pretty long. I really like where the kitchen's at. I didn't want it to be in the living room. There's different layouts that you can get when you live in this building, and some of them are there. I just wanted my couch there, and I just wanted them to be separate, so I thought this was the best layout for me for studios. But here is the full kitchen area. So this is just this little display area, which I really loved. I love putting wine glasses up there, just a few trivets. Most things are from Crate & Barrel. I can link everything, or let me know if you wanna know about something and I could let you know down below, but they have really nice appliances. So dishwasher, that is a convection microwave, a gas stove, and then the fridge is really nice too. It has filtered water and ice. It's pretty bare bones right now. Is that my favorite word? But yeah, I just got off vacation, so not a few too many things in there, but we're getting there. What's also super nice about this, dun, 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 in-unit washer and dryer. These are really nice. I think everything in here is energy efficient, which is awesome. And then I need to figure out some storage spots. I need like just some bins or something. Just I need to go to like IKEA or somewhere. Just my Tide Pods and toilet paper, and down here is just paper towels, dirty clothes, suitcase, and then I really need to find a new spot for my towels, but there they are. The bathroom. This was one of my favorite parts. So I love this mirror. It dims, which I just thought was so cool. I'm sure you guys have seen these. I think they're in most newer apartment complexes now. But I just love the countertops. I just think it looks really modern. I really do like it. There's a lot of space here too. A good amount of storage to put your stuff in. I'm addicted to boy smell candles. That's the LES one. I love it. And makeup brushes. So this is from a brand called Sin. I absolutely love almost everything that they make, and they're a smaller Brooklyn-based brand. You can buy them off West Elm or directly from the site, but I'll link everything that I have from them down below. So little bath area. I'm not going to show you that shower curtain. I just got it on the fly. I really need to get a new one that kind of fits more with the vibe. This is from Crate & Barrel. It's just fluffy. I didn't really know what to get, but it's nice that it has some towel hooks, just things that I really appreciate that I don't have to really look for, like a towel hook here. I just don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. Just really like how updated everything is. This is also from that Sin company. So it's just their smaller fruit bowl. I kind of wish I would have got the medium, but it's still cute nonetheless. And then right here, this is probably one of my favorite spots. So the Cashmere Kush candle from Boy Smell is absolutely amazing. The little Marshall Alexa, I kind of splurged on that, but I absolutely love it. I always put my By Far amber bag there. I'm thinking about getting a little wall hook here, but I'm just not sure. And then just a charging for my iPhone. I'm not really sure where to put that, but okay. So moving on into the living and bedroom area. For reference, this wall is 296 inches, so I feel like it's not really doing it justice right now, but it is pretty long. These are from MoMA, just a few prints. I got those picture frames off Etsy. I'll show you the view at the end because it's probably one of my favorite parts. This TV is I'm gonna get it a smaller one, and then I'm gonna get it mounted. It's just too big for my space right now, and it's pretty heavy, so I don't really know how that'd do on the wall. This is me and my full-length mirror that I got off of, overstock.com. I'll link it down below. And so my closet, that's packed full with my clothes and just a few other knickknacks. I need more storage bins in there as well, but this is my little bed area. So the headboard is from West Elm. These linen sheets are from West Elm as well. I think that blanket is West Elm or Crate & Barrel. just my laptop. So I love that lamp from West Elm, but the nightstand doesn't fit. So I ordered a new one that should be here in a couple of days. I'll insert it right here. And yeah, that'll fit perfectly there. It'll hide all the cords because it doesn't have, you can't see on the bottom through it. It just, you can see it when I insert the photo, but it's more of like a pillar, and I think it's really cute. Just some books I'm reading. So for this area, I think I'm gonna do a credenza. I hope that's how you say it, but just a little bit of a longer one. And I'm just gonna add my books in there. It'll be really nice storage. I've been looking at a few. I'll link them down below that I think are cute. Let me know if you like any of them. And moving into the things that I bought for this space, so for the living room, I'm going to do these coffee tables here from CB2. They get here on January 21st. They're actually in stock right now, but that's how long deliveries are taking. It's pretty wild. And then I got this sofa, like a little sofa love seat, because this space is pretty small. So it's 68 inches is how big the sofa is. I think it gives me some room to play with, maybe putting a desk right here for whenever I work from home, maybe a plant there. I just don't think it'll take over the space too much, which I feel like a humongous couch would really do that. So I'm really happy that I went with more of a love seat. And yeah, I'm just excited for like happy hours and stuff there, like wine and a cheese board and just watching TV. But yeah, this is the space so far. Okay, I almost forgot to show you the view before I said goodbye, but it's nighttime right now, obviously. I think that it's, oh man, I wish that you could see it a little bit better. I think that it's, I got it, hold on. Okay, we're shutting off all the lights so I can show you the view. Okay. And you can see into everybody's apartment. It's not the move to have your blinds up at night, that's for sure. But this is where I live in downtown Portland. So it's actually northwest. When somebody says downtown to me, I think southwest, but northwest is my absolute favorite district. I used to live in the Alphabet District, but now I'm over on a little bit of a different side. I'm not too high up. I'm on the 4th floor, but I just think that it is so pretty. Yeah, this is probably my favorite part. I loved the big windows. It really sold me on the place. I'm okay with the place being small as long as it has like enough natural light and windows to kind of make it feel bigger on those days where you really just feel crammed in. And they have a bunch of like spaces, like community spaces up there where if you want to eat lunch up there one day and just get out of your little apartment, you totally can. So it's really, really nice, but this is it. Okay, so that's the end of the really quick empty apartment tour, semi-empty apartment tour. I hope that you guys liked it, and I will see you on next Sunday, hopefully, with a styling video. My camera has been a little bit messed up. I don't love the settings. If anybody wants to help me out, I'm super blurry. It's not doing autofocus like it should. It's focusing on so many different things, and I just can't seem to fix it. I've watched so many YouTube videos on it, so if you were good at Canon cameras, I have a Mark II G7X. If you want to jump on a call, you want to troubleshoot, I would absolutely love that. But this is going to be the end of the video, and hopefully I'll see you next Sunday from here on out with styling videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Okay, so I wanted to do like some full reference shots of the rooms because I'm just going to take you around vlogging style, but this is the living room, and my bed's right over here. My couch will go here, and then coffee tables, and then the windows, and that's the small studio.